In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view LinkedIn profiles in private mode. If you want to browse someone's LinkedIn profile without showing your name or headline to them, LinkedIn gives you a built-in privacy setting for that. This can be useful when you're doing research, checking out potential connections, exploring competitors, or simply wanting a bit more privacy while browsing. The good news is that turning this on only takes a moment, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and looking at the top of the screen. You'll see the Me icon there, which opens your personal account menu. Click on that icon to bring up the drop-down options tied to your profile and account settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps the main controls for your account, including privacy, visibility, and profile-related preferences. Once you're inside, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the page. In that left menu, click Visibility. This section controls how other people see your activity, your profile information, and your interactions across the platform. Since private profile viewing is part of your visibility settings, this is the section you need. Next, under the area called Visibility of your profile and network, find the option labeled Visibility when viewing other profiles. Click that setting to open the different ways your profile can appear when you visit someone else's page. You'll then see the available viewing options. To hide your identity, select Private Mode. Once you choose that, LinkedIn will stop showing your name and profile details to other users when you view their profiles. Instead, your visit will appear anonymously. That's all there is to it. After this setting is enabled, you can continue browsing profiles with more privacy. Just keep in mind that when Private Mode is turned on, LinkedIn may also limit your ability to see who has viewed your own profile, depending on your account type and settings. So if you ever want full visibility again, you can return to the same section and switch back. And that's how to view LinkedIn profiles in private mode.